Ricochet consignment software does have a built-in rewards program. And what it allows you to do is to offer your customers rewards points depending on how much they spend within a sale. So if we start out by going to Preferences, then to Admin, and then on the far right-hand side, click the Taxes and Policies tab, we'll see a field for Rewards Threshold and Amount. So you can see here within our demo account, we've set a rewards threshold of $30 and an amount of $1. What this means is whenever a customer spends $30 within a sale, they will receive a $1 in-store credit that they can use on their next sale. Now, the one thing to keep in mind is that this is only going to be done on a per sale basis. So if someone spent $97 in a sale, got $3 worth of rewards points, that additional $7 on that sale will not carry over to their next purchase. So to utilize the rewards program, you will need to attach a customer to the sale. And when you do, you'll notice a line on the right-hand side show rewards for that customer and the amount they'll be receiving. Also, if a customer already has rewards points available, it'll show up in their customer field, and the rewards credit tender type can be utilized on that sale. Now, at the end of the day, in either the sales summary or sales detail report, you will be able to see the amount of rewards used in the store costs and net totals, and it will be deducted from the store's profits for that time period.